Ever wonder why your computer seems to slow down over time, or perhaps you've been curious about how to use that nifty find and replace function in Word or Excel? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Technology Geeks, your one-stop hub for all things tech. In this space, you'll find free tutorials on a plethora of tech-related topics, from unlocking the full potential of Microsoft Excel and Word to understanding the ins and outs of computer hardware and networking. And that's not all. We'll also be exploring some fascinating computer and mobile tricks that will surely pique your interest. Let's dive into the world of Microsoft Excel. Excel, a household name in the corporate world, can seem daunting to beginners. But fear not. By breaking down its functions into manageable bits, mastering Excel becomes a walk in the park. Learn how to create spreadsheets, use formulas, and generate graphs with ease. Next, we shift gears to Microsoft Word. From creating a simple document to formatting a complex report, Word has it all. Discover how to use templates, insert images, and utilize the find and replace function to make your work more efficient. But it's not all about software here. We'll also take a journey into the world of computer hardware and networking. Learn what makes your computer tick, how to troubleshoot common hardware issues, and understand how different computers connect and communicate within a network. And for those who love a good hack, we'll explore some interesting computer and mobile tricks. These tricks will not only make your life easier but also add a bit of fun to your tech journey. On top of all that, we're excited to share CGI shorts right here on YouTube. These shorts will provide a quick and entertaining way to learn more about the tech world. In summary, Technology Geeks is here to make technology more accessible, interesting, and enjoyable. Master Microsoft Excel and Word, delve into the world of computer hardware and networking, and discover fun computer and mobile tricks. And remember, the tech world is always evolving, so there's always something new to learn. So go ahead, hit that like button, share this with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech goodness. We can't wait to embark on this tech journey with you. Thank you.